Your 2008-2019 GMC Savana uses a transponder key with a PK3 Plus chip to prevent theft. This chip communicates with the Engine Control Module, or ECM. Programming is needed when replacing or adding keys. There are DIY methods available, but incorrect attempts can lock your vehicle and require professional help. You'll generally need at least one working key to use DIY methods. Recent aftermarket tools make DIY key programming feasible, whereas dealerships typically handle this with specialized tools. DIY success rates vary, and professional reprogramming will cost more, but provides expert assistance. The standard DIY method for programming transponder keys on 2008-2019 GMC Savanas requires two working keys to reprogram the ECM. You'll need two working keys, a blank transponder key, and access to the vehicle's OBD2 port under the dashboard. Follow these steps carefully. First, insert the first working key and turn to on position for exactly 10 minutes. Then remove it and insert the second working key, repeating the process for another 10 minutes. Finally, insert the new blank key and cycle the ignition to complete the reprogramming of the ECM. Take these precautions seriously. Always use OEM or compatible transponder chips to prevent vehicle malfunctions. Ensure you own the vehicle to avoid any legal issues with programming. Online communities report success rates of 70 to 80% for DIY programming attempts. A 2024 GM bulletin specifically warns that using non-OEM chips can cause ECU failures in these models.